Hey YouTube, this is the Green Scrapper, and today we are going to be breaking apart a rice maker, dead rice maker. We're going to see if it is better to just throw this all in the steel pile, or if you will make more money breaking it apart and actually scrapping it piece by piece. So go ahead and join us, and we're going to show you what you would get at the scrap yard for it, just like this. And we're going to also show you what you would get for it at the scrap yard, breaking it down piece by piece. First, what we're going to do is we're going to weigh the whole thing together, and looks like it's going to be 5 pounds and 14 ounces. So 5 pounds, 14 ounces for the rice maker. Let's dive in and see what we can get. So first of all, we've got a piece of aluminum here on the top. It does have a rubber piece, so we'll go ahead and pull that off. So we got some aluminum. We got a pot here. Looks like it is aluminum. So that's another cast piece of aluminum. Alright. Looks like this piece here on the lid is aluminum, so we're going to go ahead and take that off. It's got some regular screws on the top. Alright, looks like it's got a rubber gasket, so we peel that off. That's cast aluminum as well. Okay, we got another piece of aluminum here. So get rid of the rubber. Looks like the lid has some hinges here, so we'll go and pull those off. The lid comes off here. Alright. Looks like we got a little steel hinge here, which is the screw. Plastic cap. That's recyclable. Got a little piece of metal here on the edge, which is the spring unit. We got a little steel piece here that was the hinge. Okay, then we can get to the insides here. Got a screw on the bottom. Pop off the bottom. Got some wiring there. Looks like we got a little aluminum clamp here that's holding on the wires. Another piece of aluminum. Electrical module there. It's going to be considered a low-grade board. Okay. We got our steel pile here. Looks like it's 3 pounds, 1 ounce. We got our aluminum pile at 1 pound. And some wire at not even an ounce. So let's go ahead and break it down and see where you get the most money.